I first discovered GST, I think it was on, one of those membership like ClassPass or something. But I'm so glad I did.
I discovered GST and Anna, way too late. But I would say I think I was reading a wellness article on Goop, and they mentioned Anna and GST.
I first discovered GST living in Los Angeles through my friend Ken.
I discovered GST through my daughter on a little website or something that used to be called Daily Candy.
GST was my favorite class ever, and Anna was my favorite instructor ever, and I just missed that experience through COVID and whatnot. And so the idea of getting this like special, time and personalized time was too appealing to, yeah.
The minute she sent out the email this year, I think I was literally the first to sign up. I mean, you could ask Anna, but I really was. And I was just hoping to experience more of what I did in Los Angeles, just get more reacquainted with my body, know kind of my stuck areas, and was also really looking forward to just seeing her and also having some one-on-one body work experience, because there's no one else like it. And so it just makes you feel so much better and more in tune and in alignment.
What inspired me to come on this retreat was Anna, and I was excited about receiving her hands on my body and her incredible body work, and also it's just incredible to have her in person to help you get in deeper and learn the technique better. I've been doing it for 12 years, and this is my second time on the retreat. It's just awesome. It's so much fun, and it's great to be with Anna. It's so nice to immerse yourself into the technique and body work and just to get away. It's awesome.
I've been doing GST for 15 plus years, and I know Anna very well, love Anna, and I was looking forward to having in-person, because I'm on Zoom every day, so an in-person experience with the true master, Anna.
Hard to pick just one thing. It was so fun doing all the different elements, from the spring to the Terra work, and I just missed all of that kind of work. And I think probably the body work, though, because you can go even deeper and have one-on-one conversations, and she can really get to your specific areas. So I'm not sure that it surprised me, because I'm familiar with it and have been with her, but it was just what the doctor ordered.
Yeah, I think all of it, actually. I mean, the body work part was just amazing, and I desperately needed it because I got rear-ended the day before I arrived. So, and I was worried about that was going to hamper my, experience. And if anything, I feel all better.
I mean, every time we get to work in person with Anna and get her hands on you and to really get in and have her give you the adjustments during the class, it's incredible, because it really helps deepen your understanding of the technique, and also the body work really complements that, really opens you up. I mean, just incredible. And I've been looking forward to this all year.
I think feeling lucky that I could be here. That's what it really was. I didn't get to come last year, and I was so happy that I could really come this year and experience so much movement and understanding, and even after all these years, a deeper understanding of not just GST, but my body. And I'm 70, and I didn't miss a class. I didn't take a nap. I was at every single one, and I feel stronger and proud of myself.
I feel more open. I feel more less stress, more open. I feel excited. I feel more like happier. It feels really good. I'm excited to keep doing the exercise and incorporate it into the other things that I do as well.
Definitely feel lighter, just more present in my body, kind of know even more what I need to work on, thanks to Anna, kind of in the body work and in the classes, and also know just it's okay to take my time. I don't have to have it all figured out. It's a step-by-step process, and be nicer to myself and go with the flow, as they say, and just keep working on it.
I think I feel like I'm more connected to my body again. And it reminded me of the time I used to take the classes in LA, because I don't think I'd ever felt so good in my body. And that disconnect from, during COVID and everything. Now I feel like I have the tools again to get reconnected to my body. And I think there is that mind-body connection. So it's, and then just to get time, I've made so many wonderful friends. I feel so lucky, and yeah, spiritually, just being out here in the mountains and to get to see moose and elk and, and deer. Really, I feel, it's all, it feels all connected.
I think I would tell them just really to be open-minded. It's kind of like nothing you've ever heard. Anna's vocabulary is off the charts, and her knowledge of every organ and tissue and muscle and how they relate to each other and how to manipulate it and torque it in just the right capacity. So you have to be willing to hear the message. But I think if you're willing to travel to Colorado and you're spending the money, you're already halfway there. You're very interested in the whole wellness process. So you're going to meet great people and be with Anna in her gorgeous house, which is absolutely incredible in the mountains. And just do it. It's money well spent. Go for it.
That they need to come, that it's amazing. You're coming for the workout and the body work. And the food's great. It's a great place to stay. There's fun things to do here. We had an amazing experience on Friday. We went to the seance at the Stanley Hotel, which was a Stephen King inspired hotel for The Shining. And I don't know, it's super fun. It's a really cool place.
That it's worth the effort to come. It really is. It's really a special time. You're in this most magnificent place. You're with Anna, who actually puts her hands on you, and you're in a community of people who are like-minded.
I think I'd want them to know that they're coming into like a peaceful, secure space that does feel like a true escape, but also feels like home.
Magical.
Energizing, relaxing, healthy.
I have a lot of words, but I'm leaving with a lot of joy in my heart.
Transformative.